it's Lisa Harris with RE/MAX Center, and we are at our newest listing in the Oaks at Appalachian Farms in Dacula, Georgia. We're here today taking some preliminary photos and video to showcase this magnificent 6-bedroom, 5-bath home overlooking the Trophy Club of Appalachian Golf Course. This home is incredible. It's professionally decorated and move-in ready. We can't wait to show it to you. So if you know someone who would love to be the first inside, better be sure to share this and let them know so that they can be the first inside. This is the master suite, and it is oversized. It has beautiful views of the golf course and all of the space here. Wouldn't this be perfect for a baby's room or just a perfect place to relax and read a book and watch the golfers? It has a huge closet, spa style bath. You've got to see this. There's so much space in here. It is just amazing. So give us a call. We would love to show you around this beautiful home. And you know, Appalachian Farms has the best amenities around. Boy, they have 8 tennis courts. They have a tennis pro on staff. They have brand new pickleball courts, 3 swimming pools, a gym, you name it, they have it all. And guess what? In the Oaks section, there's even a beautiful park with a gazebo at the front entrance of the subdivision. Thank you so much for viewing this beautiful home today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we do. Isn't it fabulous? You know, I used to live in the subdivision, so if I can answer any questions at all about the amenities, the HOA, the golf course, you know I would love to help. So just give me a call anytime I can help. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.